that?
It's so much more than that. And I was actually quite startled when I really went down that rabbit hole to see not only, I mean, it is food. It's excellent nutrition with short chain fatty acids and sugars that the baby needs. It actually trains your gut to be healthy in the long run as an adult, which trains your immune system as well. But what that mother is putting through her breast milk, things like something called Hamlet, HAMLET, which stands for human alpha lactalbumin made lethal to tumors. And this is a substance, this is a protein, it's like a transformer protein that can literally turn into a cancer busting molecule that is being used by the oncology industry.